download MetaTrader 5 as a beginner. You go to your Play Store and App Store or App Store. You search for MetaTrader 5. You click on it. This is it, and you download it. So once you download it, you open it. So you allow notification. You accept the terms and conditions. You open a demo account. A demo account is an account that it is used for trading as a beginner. So you'll be given free money, but you cannot withdraw it. So you need to train yourself as a beginner, from a beginner to expert, to learn strategies and to backtest strategies. So you open a demo account. So once you open a demo account, you'll be given $100,000. So the currency pair, Euro USD, GBP USD. There are still other currency pair here. This is it. There are so many currency pairs. So if you want to add it, you can add it. If you want to remove, you can remove. So this is it. So if you want to open the trade, you go to your chart. Once you have seen your chart and you are ready to open the trade, you click on trade. You click on the plus icon at the top right hand side. Once you click on that, so you can now buy or sell. So if you want to buy, you click on buy. So that is, your order has been placed and your market is already run. So, and there's another way to open a trade shortcut. You click on this red and blue rectangle at the top and right hand corner. When you click on it, you can see sell or buy. You can buy from that side too, or sell. So you accept the terms and conditions. Once you accept that, you can buy. Your market has been placed. Can you see it is now 2 trades? So if you want to add indicator to your chart, you click on this F icon. You click on main window, and there are a lot of indicators here that you can add to your chart. If you want to mark a spot or want to check a line on the chart, you use crosshair, that plus sign at the top, that crosshair, this crosshair to mark a particular spot or price on the chart. So we use crosshair, or to know a particular date of a candlestick or the price of a candlestick at a particular moment. So we use crosshair to get that. So to add trend line to our chart, we click on that triangle, circle and rectangle icon at the top. So this is it. We add line Fibonacci, another trend line to our chart. So when we get that, we explain better. So to close your trade, you just swipe your trade, your order. You just swipe it to the left side. You click on that mark sign to close your trade. When you click on it, you can close your trade. So you can also modify your trade. Maybe you want to change your stop loss or take profit, you can modify it. And if you want to check your chart, you can check your chart or check any other thing with that one. So you can close the trade now. You are in profit. You can close it. So as simple as that. So this your trade history. You see your trade history here, your position, your orders. So this it. That's how to use MT5. So as time goes on, you get familiar with it, and you know that it is simple to use. So don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.